wonder if Grandpa could come up for you then. Big LED light.
Oh, Grandma. Grandma.
There was. I picked him up. Okay, thanks. When the hay, anytime you come in house, you need.
I was gonna say Grandma was over there.
Well, whether Grandma was there or not.
It's from SpongeBob.
Oh yeah, Sandy from SpongeBob.
Hey. I don't know anything about it.
I want to shoot higher.
Harvey, how old are your kids?
I know the youngest one is 15.
Well, no, Claire said that you don't know anything about SpongeBob. That's why I was wondering
Oh
how old
yeah,
your kids
I
were.
know Squidward and all of them. Patrick
Okay, one more.
and all of them.
Then the pre-show's over. Sorry, guys.
Mom. Mom.
Oh, it stinks.
Listen to you.
No, the smoke. No, the smoke. It stinks.
That's what's keeping the mosquitoes away right now.
I know.
Keeping you from getting bit.
Oh God. Oh God.
Big boy. Hey, what's a big boy? It's a big boy firework. Oh.
That's the finale.
Epic!
You gotta use your imagination. That's what it looks like when they're way up there.
You gotta pretend you're looking up.
Yeah.
I love this game. Just forget all those parts. It's so fun.
Imagine how the ants feel.
The ants right now are like, wow. Look at that.
They're cheering, little ants.
Yeah, woo!
There
What
we
I'm talking
go.
about.
I can go home and get the big ones. I could go home and get the big ones. He's not here to actually go to the old fireworks. I don't even know if they have fireworks where he's at. Oh, really? Yeah. He's up at the cabin with his dad in Motley. Do you know where Motley is?
Yeah. It's way.
I know.
And for two, I'm not the one who needed it.
Boy, I have a big pockets I can put my tablet on.
No, we should go up there now. Look at the more kids running around playing.
Oh yeah, that could be with him. No, I'll be.
What? Oh, the girls can run around and play with.
No, people like like being friends with me for some reason. Fires.
I brought a ball. We can kick it around. It's not that long before we start.
Well, I want glow sticks though.
Oh, but I didn't have
Remember
any
last year I had glow sticks on my
money.
leg?
I really wanted to
like-
give you some too.
Where you did this,
Oh, remember that big ball and maybe hang from the ceiling?
Yeah. I know. I'll grab the wall.
Aww. Yeah, Joe.
You could go up there.
Oh!
Do you think you're the little man?
I believe everyone.